Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Trish Leto, and I want to do a quick testimonial video for my good buddy Arne Giske. I only have about a minute to do this testimonial, but I wish I had a good hour, because that's how many wonderful things that I have to say about Arne and the amount of incredible work that we've done together and how much he's helped me with my business. So Arne and I have known each other for well over 5 years now, and I will tell you that he has been the ultimate cheerleader in my corner to teach me exactly what I needed to do to build my confidence enough to approach different companies for PR opportunities, speaking opportunities, and just getting myself out there and becoming a sought-after speaker, a live stream video marketing expert, a social media strategist and consultant. And I built my business greatly because of the amount of incredible mentoring and help and training that Arne has given to me. And I will tell you from the bottom of my heart, not only does he teach, but he cares about each and every person who invests in him. And there are not a whole lot of people that we can say that about in this industry anymore. So I just want to say thank you, Arne, so much for helping me increase my confidence, identify what my strengths and what my skill sets are within my business so that I can break out of my comfort zone and start getting these speaking opportunities, these PR opportunities. And now it's to the point where people reach out to me and ask me to be a part of a magazine or ask me to be on a panel at a huge seminar or a huge summit. It's just incredible, and I owe a lot of this very much to Mr. Arne Giske. If you are thinking about working with Arne just a tiny bit right now and you're sitting on the fence, do yourself a favor, take out your credit card and pay the man. It will be the best investment you've ever made. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.